Word! Until October 19th, get 15% off your dining tables. Visit IKEA or IKEA.ca for details.
The next Lotto 649 jackpot is an estimated $50 million, plus the guaranteed $1 million prize draw. What would life be like if you won Lotto 649?
It's a crazy feeling.
Oh, that would be freedom, yeah.
Amazing. I'd definitely go visit some palm trees.
Sail south until the butter melted.
Welcome to Cloud 649. The next jackpot is an estimated $50 million, plus the guaranteed $1 million prize draw.
If you skipped breakfast, you're probably sleepwalking. A morning affliction causing debilitating symptoms like poor attention to detail, and even worse, poor attention to detail. So here's a fresh way to make more of your morning. McDonald's new Morning McWrap.
Floorboards, organ, missing chords, skeletons coming alive. Closet spilling, spine is chilling, portrait with spy and eyes. Black rose splinters, haunted whispers, voices screaming out my head. Pale complexion, my mind's racing, swear I thought my demons were dead. Face to face, gone insane, no escape. No escape. Spinning around, I go dancing with us. You're the rock to my soul. Singing now with the invisible heart and the bottom of I see in the dark, in the dark.
I'm not waiting on the wall. You look way too good to leave this all to lock. And I don't want your heart, your soul.
In the 2015 Mazda 3 and get 0% purchase fund.